groundnuts, carrot, rice, salt to wash the rice properly. Save out the water. A cooking blender. Add the rice, carrot, and groundnuts. You add water based on the quantity of the rice you like to use. For example, that which you saw. Then you cover the blender appropriately. You select rice, blend for rice, and you start it. Started blending. And cooking, and it will blend and cook for about 30 minutes. Then it's ready. Now the pap is ready. You can add anything to it: sugar, milk. Add more water if it's thick. And the rice pap is ready. This is how to make a rice pap, and everyone can enjoy it, both babies and adults. And it's so nutritious and yummy. And it can serve as a food replacement drink.